Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable transferring brokerage assets with TD Ameritrade step by step clearly. To begin transferring your brokerage assets with TD Ameritrade, visit the TD Ameritrade website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, locate the My Account tab in the top navigation menu. Hover over the My Account tab to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down, select Transfer Brokerage Account. You will be directed to the account transfer page. Review the information provided about the transfer process. Click on the Start Transfer button to initiate the process. Fill out the required information about your current brokerage account. Enter the account number and the name of your current brokerage firm. Specify the type of account you wish to transfer, such as an individual or joint account. You may need to provide additional details such as your current firm's address. Next, choose the method of transfer, either full transfer or partial transfer. Select the assets you wish to transfer from your current brokerage. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the appropriate box. Confirm your selection and click on the Continue button. Review the summary of your transfer request for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click Submit to finalize the request. TD Ameritrade will then process your transfer request. You will receive confirmation via email regarding your transfer status. Keep an eye on your inbox for any updates regarding your account transfer. That's the complete process for enabling your asset transfer with TD Ameritrade. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.